Well, these things were so good, we practically ate up the entire package. This is the second package of these things. These brioche spikes by ZOMEI Bakery. You see these? Jump on them. They're delicious. I mean, they taste, of course, a lot better coming out of the oven, but they were just fine the way they were. So I just wanted to know, we're going to share, my wife and I, Linda and I, are going to share the last 4 together.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
Now for this portion, have you ever noticed there's always disclaimers? Like, look at this one. Caution, eating may cause a buildup of steam in this product. Well, you're sticking it, oh, that was a minute, that was fast. Let's see, it said here 400 degrees, 1 minute, 400 degrees, yep, it's all ready to go. Watch me pull them out. Says freeze, maintain the freshness, heat for 1 minute at 400 degrees or 200 degrees Celsius, enjoy fresh baked flavor. Well, if it's cold, 1 minute isn't going to be enough. This is a product of Canada, ZOMEI Bakery. I got this at Aldi's. What makes our brioche bites unique? We use plant-based ingredients that provide the same taste in traditional brioche. Probably messing that word up. Without using eggs or dairy, there's a slight sweetness to these bites which make them a great choice for snacks or an accompaniment to any meal. Try these soft and fluffy bites, slightly warmed with some fruit or spread of your choice. You won't be disappointed. And that's Alon and Guy ZOMEI. Neat. Okay. Alright, we're trying it again. Oven's already off. Oh yeah, that's much better. And we're going to use our $2 knife to cut it. She's going to want to have butter on hers. And that's fat for the butter. For me, I'm going to put jam on mine. You see I'm still opening it up. And you could use any jam, but I'm just going to use orange marmalade. Yes, it's way too much, but what can I tell you? I'm a jamaholic. Let's see if we can squish it on the other one. Okay, so this is our presentation, a little snack that you can have with these delicious brioches. Do remember, I got them at my grocer. I'm sure you can do the same thing, and they're excellent for your health. Bye-bye.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.